Hi, I'm Frances Katzen, and welcome to the Penthouse at 350 West Broadway. This extraordinary triplex spans almost 6,000 square feet, not including some pretty amazing outdoor space that we'll get to later. For now, follow me. In true Soho style, the elevator opens directly into the apartment. You are immediately greeted by superb light and cinematic views. This entry gallery is perfect for your art collection and highlights the honest materials that run throughout, like white oak floors, stone walls, and glass. You come into this main entertaining space that features 3 exposures, with ample room for both dining and lounging. An architectural history of New York City is all around you. Who needs a TV when you have one of the most dynamic backdrops to entertain you? There are high ceilings, deep-set windows that you can actually sit on, and a wood-burning fireplace with a reclaimed mantle. Not bad. This kitchen features a 14-foot waterfall edge island, stainless steel cabinets, and only the best appliances, of course, plus some pretty amazing views. Down this floating glass staircase worthy of Cinderella is another living room to showcase your art collection. I'm feeling speakeasy vibes here. It's even got a wet bar. Tequila, anyone? There are also 4 oversized bedrooms here. But why don't we take a look at the primary suite? Here, the location, the simplicity, and the sublime embrace to give you a warm, welcoming retreat. It features a wall of windows where you could step out onto your own private terrace. This is the first thing you see when you wake up here and the last thing you see when you go to sleep. And this bathroom is amazing, sun-drenched and clad totally in Italian marble. There's also a deep soaking tub, dual vanities, and a palatial shower. This bathroom is bigger than the size of the apartment that I had when I moved to New York, and I even had roommates. And if you think all of this is impressive, I have one more space to show you. Come on. Now this takes things to a whole new level, literally and figuratively. Welcome to your own private rooftop oasis, 360 degrees of unfettered views. But it's so much more than its views. A fireplace for all seasons? Don't worry, we got it. How about a hot tub? All yours. And dinner parties at your house just became the hottest reservation in town. There's a grill, a wet bar, and even a powder room up here. Everything you need to host the party of the year. This is Soho living redefined. Thank you so much for joining me on the tour today. I hope you've seen that this triplex located at 350 West Broadway combines the best of loft and penthouse living in one of New York City's best neighborhoods. I'll see you next time.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.